You speak so warmly about your team, but when a key man leaves,
Yeah.
how does it affect you? I mean, I'm obviously talking about Rahul who left. When he left, and you put out a note which everybody read, and I know because as a news agency we face attrition too. We get they go to channels obviously because in a news agency they are faceless, and after spending years as a faceless journalist, they want to go to a channel and be seen. I quite understand that, but it hurts when especially your key person goes. How do you cope with that kind of a thing when a team
I
member
take
goes?
attrition very personally, okay? Unless I've asked the person
That's
to go, then
honest.
that's different, right? But it's something that I have to not take personally. So I think losing somebody like Rahul, because we worked together for 18 years, I think that we really added to each other in terms of what we could learn, what we could achieve, what we could build. So personally, it's a big loss. But professionally, you know what? No loss. Because you mentioned earlier on in one of the questions, how do you handle so many stars in your team? Because the only star, the only real star is the brand.
Perfect.
It's Aaj Tak and it's India Today. It doesn't matter. Yes, of course, every anchor adds his own bit to the organization. But in the end, you have built institutional creativity, right? And so those things will come in no matter who comes and who goes, right? That doesn't change. And you're talking about Rahul, right? But our first anchor in Aaj Tak, right? Mr. S.P. Singh.
Oh yeah.
When we lost him.
Yeah.
And that was not lose him to someone else. He passed away, right?
Yeah.
Huge shock. We're so young in the industry.
Yeah.
Right?
That's true, yes.
We handled that. So it's never been about an anchor. And that's part of the strategy.
See, when NDTV lost Barkha, everybody thought it's over.
Yeah.
Because she was the face of the channel. And I'm bringing in names simply because to relate to the matter, it doesn't...
No, but I think now it's really over.
Yeah. Okay. Meow. But it does impact when a key person goes away. But I think channels recover.
Yeah. No, but I think the other thing is people may leave us, but they actually never leave us. And this is a bit of a problem. It's like you've left us. Why are you sending us feedback? Please go and do what you're doing. Right? Why are you telling us, like, oh, I really like this or I really like that, or recounting stories? People kind of get stuck in India Today. We have an addictive quality about us. And I've seen this for people who worked in the magazine.
With your dad.
Yeah, it does.
Because he had this fabulous ability to attract talent. So there are so many friends of mine who began their career with India Today, the magazine. I mean, the TV channel was not there. But the big names of... So there's so many people you meet who today are leading businesses, leading news channels, who began their career with that. So... I think there's also something, those who began with Pranoy or those who began with Arun Puri, they look back and say, yeah, we began our career there. It's like, say, at Indian Express or Times of India in the print segment, magazine and television is India Today. But yeah, it hurts.
No, so AP very often says this is our public service to journalism, to provide editors to other outlets.
Okay.
He says that. Then some are unguided missiles, and even others are like, sometimes you raise people to their level of incompetence, right? And at that point, things are not working for both sides.
Yeah.
Right?
And then you have to just let go.
Yeah. It's hard.
Is that also difficult?
It's hard. Like, I don't know, maybe it's being a woman leader. We're a little bit more emotional, right? Maybe. I don't know.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is, टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दो?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.